Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick and creative coding tutorial, we are building a realistic glowing bulb simulation using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. No libraries, no framework, just pure front-end magic. You will learn how to style a bulb, then turn on the on off with a click. We will cover this structure and lighting effect and JavaScript logic that makes it incentive. It will be 100% AI. Let's make let's open your VS Code and write this in your ChatGPT agent mode. Make a bulb simulation folder and make HTML and CSS file. Then make a bulb simulation with raw CSS. Okay, use this prompt. The prompt will be added in description. You can see a folder have been created by the ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot agent. You can see this index file and CSS file made. You just simply click on keep, then you can see the code and you just press on show preview and you can see this bulb is working on button on off, but we need to add some more feature on this. Let's make it more beautiful and please make it hover when I will the hover, then it will glow. Okay, let's give it some time. It will take a few seconds. It's thinking. Okay, working. At this time, he is checking our existing codes and watching what need to be changed. He read the existing files, style.css, and is still working. It is updating our files, style CSS. You can see this all designs have been changed and click on keep. You can see this button is also properly working 100%, looking so beautiful. You can simply copy this URL from above to show it on your browser. Let's copy this URL and open your browser and paste it and hit enter. You can see my when is the bulb on, it shines brightly and radial gradient glowing shadows. And when it off, it is muted gray. And there you have it, a stylish and interactive bulb component made by entirely with HTML, CSS and JavaScript with 100% of AI. If you like this project, drop a like, subscribe for more mini fronted projects and let me know in the comment what you have been we should build in next. Until next time, keep coding and stay creative. I will see you in the next one.